The bowl is made out of glass, which is more hygienic because the makeup isn't going to stick to it like it would if it was made out of plastic. It also comes with a silicone rim seal. We've then also got 8 silicone collars for your brushes, as well as 2 attachments for the different sizes. And it also comes on a nice neat collar stand. So let's get on with how to use it. You're going to take your brush and just slip it into the collars till you find one that makes it a little bit more difficult to slip into, so you know it's not going to fall off of the silicone collar. Once it's a nice snug fit, you should be able to hold the end of the collar and the brush won't tilt. I'm going to take the black attachment and slip that into the end of the sleeve. This one is for all of the silicone collars barring the 2 largest ones. Then we want to insert that into the Style Pro handle until it clicks, and then you're ready to go. As we are removing a liquid foundation from the bristles and it is an oil based foundation, we're going to be using 1 cap of the Style Pro Makeup Cleaner and then apply the silicone splash guard. Just to show you what the Style Pro is going to do, when you switch it on, the brush handle is going to spin so fast that it's going to splay the bristles out. So we're going to dunk the brush into the solution a few times, making sure that we don't dip it past the metal ferrule, which is the silver part. Then you want to turn the handle on and start dunking the brush up and down into the solution while it's spinning. And you want to do this for 10 seconds. Then you want to lift your brush out of the solution while it's spinning, but keeping it below the splash guard, and again leave it spinning for 10 seconds, and that is going to completely dry the bristles. It's been clinically proven that spinning the bristles this fast is forcing the bacteria and the dirt and the water out of the brush. And as you can see, it looks brand new again. It literally takes 20 seconds. Now for makeup that is water soluble, you can use an antibacterial hand soap or you can use baby shampoo. So in the bowl I've got clean water and I'm using 1 pump of the antibacterial hand soap. And to show you that you can practically clean any brush shape, I'm going to clean my mini kabuki, which I use on a daily basis with my Bare Minerals. For this one I need the second biggest sleeve, so this requires the white attachment to slip into the collar and the handle. I'm going to show you 2 viewpoints here so you can see the brush on the side. Start by dunking the brush, and then you want to spin it in the solution for 10 seconds. Remember to bounce the brush up and down into the solution so that all the water gets right into the bristles and right into the centre of the brush. Then you want to lift your brush out of the solution but below the splash guard still and leave that to spin for 10 seconds while it forces all of that bacteria and dirt and water out of the bristles. And again, this is completely dry and ready to use. Ordinarily this would take 24 hours to dry in an airing cupboard. And just to prove to you that it is completely dry, I'm dabbing it onto some tissue just to show you there's no residue, dampness or dirt. It's completely clean and dry. So I really hope that's going to